You may not need another course, and you may not need another 5-folder full of content and notes, and you may not need another person telling you what you should or shouldn't be doing. You just need that simple guidance, that clarity for that next step, that place to ask questions, and people out there who will help move you forward. That's why I created Building Digitally with Christy. Well, hello, friends, and welcome. My name is Christy, and I personally want to welcome you here to the channel. Whether you found me on Simple Digital Life on my YouTube channel with Christy, or if you found me in some Building Digitally video along the way on any social media platform or my other YouTube channel, someone shared the community with you maybe, or you just found me in school. I'm so glad that you're here. Simple Digital Life will help guide you and discover what is possible. Building Digitally was going to teach you how to put all those pieces together to work online. And this community is where we bring all the pieces together and we guide you on that step. So you're never alone in your journey. You know, friends, whenever I first came into the online space, I absolutely knew nothing. I walked away from my teaching career and I stepped out in faith. And I came in and I said, you know, God, there's all these people that's making money online. How are they doing it? And so I started researching, but I wanted to know everything. And that's one place that you just absolutely positively get lost in, friends, because you will not know everything. 4 years later in the digital online space, I can tell you I'm still learning something new every day because I challenge myself to learn something new every day. And I will challenge you inside the community to learn something new every day too. But I want you to understand this. I bought the course that I thought was the course. I did not know the difference between affiliate and digital marketing. I did not know the difference between affiliate as a percentage income and MRR as master resale rights where you get 100% profit. I didn't know all of that, but I bought this affiliate course. I had to build my own system from email automations to funnels to my website. It took me about 6 weeks, but I did it. I just followed the steps and did it. Did everything I thought I was supposed to do. And then realized if this is this hard for me, how hard could it be for somebody else? And I just couldn't promote something I didn't feel comfortable with. So I came into the digital online space and I kept searching and I found an e-learning program that I thought was great because it was simplicity compared to the complexity that I had. Then I found the program that I have now. As a teacher, one of the things I want to encourage you, never stop learning, but never stop investing in yourself. And I'm not saying that you have to invest money in yourself. I'm saying that I'll never stop investing in yourself as far as learning because you really need to understand all that's available. You know, whenever I came in and I found the program that I have now, we've had 4 different income streams. So anybody could come in at any different level that you needed to because you felt comfortable at that level. That's what I loved about it. But more importantly, we just continue to update and grow with it. What became 4, now I have 10 streams of income because we went English and Spanish version. And so I have full 10 streams of passive income with that program. But more importantly is this, that program has taught me, number one, how to have a community and build a community on the school platform. That has taught me how to build my own courses and how to help people and how to have workshops and how to do all of the stuff that I had no clue about in the online space. And maybe that's you, friend. Maybe you don't have any clue either. And maybe you just need that step-by-step guidance. Well, come join us. I have 3 different levels that you can come in on. And I can guarantee you any of the levels are amazing. So you don't have to worry about where you are. You just come where you are and we will build what we need to build to help you succeed in the digital online space. There's not a crazy question out there because guess what? If you don't know it, that's the crazy part. You need to ask it so you can get the answers so that you'll not be stuck and you can succeed. So I just invite you. We have a group full of people in here that's just willing to pour their heart into you and help you succeed because there's no one person that you're going to take success from because God gave you everything that you need to succeed with. And he's going to give us the inspiration to help each other succeed in the digital online space. That's what it's all about, friends, is helping people succeed, giving the value that you need and giving the value to others that they need. And in turn, they're going to give the value to you as well. I'm so excited that you're here. Thanks for coming and joining in on Building Digitally with Christy, because on the inside, we're going to take you on a step-by-step journey to where you can have how many ever multiple streams of income that you want. Whenever I first started out, I told you I got 4. Now I'm up to 10 with the passive, but it's taught me residual income and it's taught me affiliate income. And now, my friend, I have over 25 different sources that I have on a monthly basis. So if you're ready to understand how you can grow your ecosystem correctly, the right way, then come join us. I'll see you on the inside.